So we have a 2019 Jaguar F-Pace in progress, a complete loss. OBD programmers don't connect because the car is in alarm. We need to get the alpha block. It is located here. First we remove these clips per pry with a screwdriver. Remove them. Then we unscrew 2 bolts. Then remove this bolt and this threshold. It's just on clips. We take it off. And the alpha block, there are 3 wires, 2 bolts. We remove it and do all of this on the table. In principle, we've unscrewed everything. Here is our KVM block. This panel comes off easily. We don't need to remove this plastic, although online I found a video where someone removed this plastic, but there's absolutely no need for that. It is held by 2 bolts, and we disconnect 3 wires, take the block for further work, program the key, and reconnect everything. Don't forget to disconnect the battery. So, to program the key for a Jaguar, we need this module. We have already removed it. This block opens very easily. It is on 4 rivets. You can even open it with your fingers. No screwdrivers needed. From the clip, the mini CDP2 or mini CDP1, they get into the frame a lot because of the short power cord. Model 9, it needs to be purchased separately for the mini CDP, but it's possible you bought it as a set and it is already within your set. So we enter Land Rover, Jaguar, and we go into, I hope there's no glare from me and everything I enter you can see. So here we look at the hint on how to connect where it is located, but in my Jaguar it is located in a completely different place. Okay, let's move on, and we go to help and want to look at the correct connection. All right.
Окей.
So, strange behavior with the STP. Sometimes I have encountered something like the STP glitch. Maybe it is, by the way. For what reason, I don't know. Maybe bad internet, because the connection is specifically through the local network. And let's just connect our STP with a cable.
Окей.
In principle, it connected right away through the cable. So the recommendation is, it's better to use a cable to make sure nothing gets disconnected in the process. Connecting seems like a small thing, but the responsibility is quite significant. Okay, now it will check all the pins, how we connected them, Most likely the last two will not be visible, because always these last two, well, basically these last two contacts need to be combed. We have a tool for this. Let's do it. All the contacts are perfect, and it allows us to proceed to the next stage.
Все. Все контакты у нас отлично. Номер попередній. Дальше по етапу. Так, да. By the way, my recommendation is to initially set up the tablet, phone or computer in such a way that at the moment of this proofreading, it did not go into sleep mode or did not go. If someone, for example, there might be a call to you, yes, or it might not finish the process. Because if at this stage the tablet shuts down, or someone calls you, or the battery dies, or even the internet disconnects, then you could say that you will have to order a block and have encountered completely different problems. Instead of a key, you will have to do much more or contact those people. For this reason, I use a tablet that I don't really need. I know no one will call it right now. That's why I don't really like using it in phone mode. Okay. Okay. Saving. So we can see how many keys are in the system. We'll just move on. We've already placed the key. It is in the frame. Okay, so I want to choose on. And here we see the result. In the 7th place, we selected our key that we programmed appeared. Okay, we just need to wait for the process to complete, put it in the box, connect it to the car, and the key will be fully operational. Okay, that's it. The whole process, as you saw with the help of the ASDP, is not that complicated, so go ahead and use it. After programming, we connected the module. Now we'll check the key and then secure and connect everything. Now will be the first connection. Alright, the key has been programmed. Alright, now we put all of this together and give the key to the client. All done, we've assembled it.